Looking at the chandelier that we had in our house, I realized it really needed an update since it had not been upgraded since we moved in. I found the chandelier, which I thought gave a more modern touch, and it was super easy to install and really fun to hang. It gives the room an entirely different look, and I absolutely adore it. Everything from the glass to how the light actually shines through the glass is absolutely immaculate. It brightens the room and kind of just brightens the entire vibe. Putting it together was very easy. It came in just a couple different parts and came with instructions thoroughly through the whole thing. You just go through and you unscrew all of these, but I decided to leave this off till the end because I wanted to get the template and the bracket hung first in order to hang the chandelier itself. These are just little screws that have one end on each, and they unscrew so that you can adhere the top of the chandelier to the actual base, and they unscrew very simply. And then from here you will see I will be putting up the bracket, which involves just the two screws that you run the wires through, of course making sure always that your power is off before you do this. You want to completely shut down the entire breaker. It comes with the hot and cold wires and the copper wire. It's a very similar setup to any normal chandelier. It's a very easy put up. It fits really nicely, and then you just screw the top piece on and turn it on, and you have this beautiful, immaculate chandelier. This was an awesome find.